was an old canary, a sad memento from a dead woman, and I never feared him for fear he might die of hunger, or cold, or that the cats would eat him. Suddenly, without anyone knowing how or why, appeared in his cage, joyful again. Look, Platero. The children's Canary was found dead upon his silver cage. It is true that the poor thing was very old. As you remember well, he spent it in silence, with his head buried in his feathers. When spring came, when the sun made a garden of the open room, the best roses of the patio were opening. He wanted to embellish the new life, and he sung. But his voice was broken and asthmatic, like the voice of a broken flute.
But he had everything! Food, water.
Yes, he had everything, Platero. Count one more. Another old canary. Simply died.
Would there be a heaven for birds?
Would there be a heaven for birds?
Would there be a heaven for birds?
Would there be a green garden over the blue sky?
All in blossom with golden rose bushes.
With souls of birds?
White,
Pink,
Blue.
yellow.
This spring, Platero, we shall see these birds flying from the heart of a white rose. The fragrant air will become music, and in the April sun there will be an enchanted flight of invisible wings, and a secret trail of clear trails of pure gold. Platero, would there be a heaven for birds? Would there be a green garden over the blue sky, all in blossom with golden rose bushes, with the souls of birds, white, pink, blue, yellow.